Now that the kids are back in school and everyone seems to be getting back into a routine, we find ourselves needing meals that will fill us up, that are fast, and that won't break the bank. Well, nothing is easier or more welcoming than a big pot of soup like the one we're making today. All we do is bring some chicken broth, peeled and diced potatoes, and a bit of chopped onion to a boil. Once it does, we lower the heat and let it simmer until the potatoes are tender. While that's doing its thing, we melt some butter in a skillet and stir in an equal amount of flour to make what is called a roux, which will help thicken our soup. Once we stir that in and it gets all creamy, we add some frozen corn, diced ham, a bit of salt and pepper, and some half and half. A few more minutes and it's time to ring the dinner bell. Maybe serve this with some crusty bread and a salad, and you've got a nice change of pace dinner that's weekday friendly. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our potato corn soup. It's one of those recipes that you'll probably end up putting in the front of your recipe box since everybody loves it. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an easier way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm.